welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs and to Metallics in Motion Part 10, the final video of my 10-part series. And today I am using a basic Betty Crocker mini colander pour. Never used it, but after my last video, Metallics in Motion Part 9, which was a straight pour comb swipe, I can't not use it. I seen it about a month ago. I bought a few different little toys, and I thought no better time than now to be creative and have extra fun. And if you haven't seen Metallics in Motion Part 9, the straight pour comb swipe, go check it out. I will put it right up here for you. And I also wanted to say I hope you guys had a really good Easter. I know it was probably difficult for most of us. Couldn't be with family and enjoy it the way we're used to. It's a crazy time, but all we can do is keep our head up and keep pushing forward. So the colors I'm going to be using today are the same colors that I used in Metallics in Motion Part 8, ring pour in a ring pour, which is FolkArt Multi-Surface Berry Wine. Beautiful. You know, that little 1-to-1 just means that my ratio was 1-to-1. However, I am using a substitute pouring medium right now called Zinsser Latex Extender. It's extremely fluid, not in love with it. Going back to my Liquitex pouring medium soon. I just didn't really want to go into the stores, guys, and do a whole lot of ordering. So as I run out of stuff, I just kind of use alternatives for now. I'm also using my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black and the gorgeous FolkArt Antique Gold. My favorite by FolkArt is 14 karat, but I like the antique as well as NCAP. So all I'm going to do, guys, I'm not going to do a dirty cup. I'm just going to pour directly into the colander, and we're just going to see what happens. All right, you ready, guys? Let's hope for something cool. Nice and slow. Don't get too happy as soon as you put your paint on the canvas. It's good to kind of just move it around, see what you got, take a look at the direction that you want to go, and then go from there. So this kind of created these kind of little specks. You see the tiny cells popping up here? Ooh, it's so pretty, guys. It's so hard, no matter what the design, not to fall in love. The colors are just amazing. Absolutely amazing. love this corner. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so cool what's going on right there, guys. It almost looks like, I don't know, it looks like lips or pig's hooves. Got some kind of funky little thing going on there. Wow, so stunning. Colors, the shimmer. Oh, I just love metallics. I just love metallics. It wouldn't be the same without the gold. I mean, for me, guys, there's always got to be a metallic in a painting. Sometimes I use all of them. Sometimes I use 2 or 3. Sometimes I use 1. I never paint without using metallics. Never, never, never. Is over. For any of you who have followed me from the beginning, thank you so much. Thank you to all the people who have subscribed to me in the last few days. I am just very grateful. I'm grateful that I have this platform to show you guys what I love to do and help you guys learn and grow. Okay guys, here is the dried results of my mini colander pour. And it is very shimmery and shiny as always. I think you guys can see that. And on camera, the berry wine showed as red, but it is a berry wine. So it has, you know, like the tint of purple and blues in it. And so you definitely can see how dark it's dried now. More to its true color, like how it is in the bottle. And there's that freaky deaky little design that I got, but it's really cool. That's what I mean. Fluid art, the effects you get, you just never know. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, please do a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. And I definitely want you guys to comment. Leave your ideas, any suggestions for color palettes, and simply just what you think. The 10-part series is now over, but my adventure and hopefully your guys' is not. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.